Fourth place goes to the 350 milliliter Stanley AeroLight Transit. My choice when carrying as little weight as possible matters most. It weighs about 180 grams, and Stanley says its AeroLight construction is roughly 33% lighter than its conventional stainless steel. The narrow body fits well in a cup holder and beneath many coffee machines, while the flip lid locks for transport. For this capacity, Stanley's official specification states 4 hours hot, 6 hours cold, and up to 20 hours iced. That is more conservative than the 6-hour hot claim shown in the Amazon title, so the official figure is the safer reference. It is convenient for a short commute and dishwasher safe. The trade-off is 120 milliliters less capacity than the 470 milliliter mugs and insulation that is not designed for an entire day. It takes fourth place because the weight saving is substantial, but so are the reductions in capacity and heat retention.